don't mind, I can sit right here beside you. Oh yeah, alright. If I seem to come on too strong, hope you that you understand. I say the things I'd like to know. If you're lonely as I am, and if you're not sharing the night together, yeah, yeah, sharing the night together, yeah, yeah, sharing the night. We could bring in the morning, girl, if you want to go that far. And it's gonna find us together right here, the way we are. Would you mind sharing the night together? Yeah, yeah, sharing the night together. Yeah, yeah, sharing the night. Would you like to dance with me and hold me? You know I wanna be holding you. Oh yeah, alright. Cause I like a feeling like I do when I see in your eyes that you're liking the way I like it too. Oh yeah, alright. Like I'd like to know you better. Is there a place where we can go, where we can be alone together? Turn the lights down low and start sharing the night together. Oh yeah, sharing the night together. Oh yeah, oh yeah, sharing the night together. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Silverfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting playthrough for a forthcoming lesson. Very rough around the edges, as you can tell. Okay, but this is quite tricky on a single guitar to get all the fiddly bits in. But obviously, a lot of you will probably recognise it, hopefully. A song called Sharing the Night Together from the one and only Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show, okay, from around about 1978, I think it was, around about 78, 79. I'm in standard tuning and capoed at the 2nd fret. This enables us to play it without too many bar chords, etc. It's in the key of E as it was played on the original recording from Dr. Hook, okay. So hopefully for those of you interested, will join me in a couple of days for the breakdown of what I tried to play there. Okay, bye for now.